women's role in agriculture production and SIAPEP endeavors. Agriculture plays a vital role in the economic development of Pakistan. According to a survey, country's gross national productions 23% comes from this sector and country's 45% population depends on agriculture. Women play a key role in this hard work and they work shoulder to shoulder with men in the field. Unfortunately, they are hardly part of any census or survey regarding agriculture. Real truth is, the village life is alive just because of these women. They manage household chores, take care of domestic cattle. They also work hand to hand in the fields and help in plowing, digging, cutting, cleaning and other work related to fields. Mostly all food crops, fruits and vegetables are grown in Sindh province. But rice, wheat, cotton and sugarcane are widely cultivated. These are divided into two groups according to the weather conditions, that is Rabi and Kharif. In 4 months of Kharif, June, July, August and September, rice, cotton and sugarcane are cultivated, while in Rabi season, wheat, mustard and chickpea are cultivated. The harsh summer of Kharif or cold winter of Rabi, these women work with men shoulder to shoulder and they perform all kind of hard work in the fields. But due to social restrictions, they are not allowed to come forward. And they do not participate in any seminar related to agriculture, nor they participate in any congregation, and they also do not take part in farmers' schools or any training session. SIAPEP has especially reached out and crossed social restrictions and access to these hard-working ladies. Sindh Irrigated Agriculture Productivity Enhancement Project SIAPEP is a World Bank funded project which is currently running in Sindh, and its aim is to enhance Sindh agriculture from past 5 years. The water courses in Sindh are being improved by SIAPEP. New irrigation technology, drip irrigation, is also being introduced to train farmers. Farmer field schools have been set up where male and female farmers are taught about new agriculture technology, modern agriculture techniques, and how to enhance agriculture production. Apart from that, worthy female farmers are being provided with kitchen gardening kits and they are taught about how to plant seed and how to use fertilizers. There are many confident and experienced social mobilizer ladies are associated with SIAPEP, where they are assigned with such time-taking and a difficult task to access to female farmers. They are reaching out to these women beside all social restrictions. SIAPEP ladies social mobilizers are working very hard to fulfill their responsibilities. Role of women in agriculture production and SIAPEP endeavors.